Hey guys, my name is Siena Beauty. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if not, well, welcome back. So today, we are going to be doing a fun video with my friend Olivia.
Hi.
So we met each other, we used to work at Starbucks together, and then she left us. Whatever. So today what we're doing is I'm going to do a makeup tutorial on her, and then we're also going to be asking, we're going
to be answering questions that customers commonly ask Starbucks baristas.
There we go. I'm just really curious to see what questions we're going to find, and yeah.
All right. We'll both give like our input too.
Yeah. Well, let's do it. All right. Do you have a question?
Okay, can you make me the blank? It's off the secret menu.
Oh my god!
How would you answer that?
Well, so technically we're not supposed to know secret menu
recipes.
Like the pink drink, I think, used to be a secret menu item, but now it's not.
We need like a recipe.
Yeah, we know them usually, but we're not gonna guarantee we do, just in case.
Right. Just like give us the recipe.
Yeah.
We got you.
We got you.
Because there's no like button for, I think a lot of it too, there's no way to put it on the POS.
Yeah.
You can't like ring it in as like whatever drink they refer to it as. Like you need to manually go in and like do everything.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be going in with the NARS, what is this? Foundation? I'm gonna be going in with your
it's the same one.
Jesus.
It's the same one you gave me. Do you think I should wash that or like get a new one?
Yeah.
Because it's the same one
you're supposed to wash them often.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought I could just...
They get bacteria.
Yeah.
Like, I think every 3 months is like the max.
No.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a while. Alright, Sienna, how would you... What would you say to someone who says, can you make me my cappuccino extra dry?
I would say... Yes?
Like how much foam do you want?
Yeah, so a cappuccino is a third coffee, basically, maybe, and then like half milk, half foam. If you want it very dry, like, that's just foam.
Bone dry.
Bone dry. Honestly, it might be cheaper to get like a smaller size and just say like extra foam or something.
Yeah.
Do you have any insight on that?
It's just kind of a silly question because cappuccinos are dry in the first place.
Yeah. Next, we're gonna contour. I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D contour palette. Do you have another question?
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot we were doing that.
Slack it on your job, man.
I know.
Jeez.
Why are your drinks so expensive?
I don't know.
I don't know, honestly, because...
You pay for the brand, man. That's all I can say.
For the brand. It's hard to find really cheap coffee.
Yeah.
To, like, gotta expect for a grande you're paying like $4.
I know. Yeah, someone today ordered a drink and it was like $9. I was like, what the heck?
Wow.
Hey, if you want an expensive drink, get a gold card thing or the app and then save up your points. 150 stars gets you a free drink, so there you go.
Ooh, I like the contouring.
Yeah? Ooh. It looks better on camera. Okay. Roasted. I'll do your brows.
Ooh, okay.
I've never used
Oh yeah, we're gonna ask. Okay, so why aren't your drinks just small, medium, and large?
Ooh, I don't know. Starbucks just wants to be different and
to distinguish them from other places, and they just want to sound fancy.
For sure. I think too, because Howard Schultz was like, he based Starbucks off of like, he went to a cafe in like Italy and he just loved that like cafe experience, like how it's just like a family experience. I don't know. And he just, I think, based it off of that because I think some of the sizes are Italian.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That would make sense then.
Yeah.
So when people are like, can you go any faster? It's like, well, I'm making like 20 people's drinks right now and there's like obviously a lot of people waiting, so I'm trying my best.
Especially because we used to work at a drive-thru. So like you have cafe orders, mobile orders, and drive-thru. Like, it's a lot.
Yeah. It is a lot when it's all coming at you at once.
Yeah. And I think my biggest pet peeve is when people are like, can I just get a water? You're like, yeah, after I make 12 other drinks.
Right, like that's not a priority.
Wait your turn? Just make sure and order it when you order your other drinks.
Right. Don't just like come up to me and be like,
yeah,
I also want water.
Yeah. This like this isn't doing anything.
Is it not?
Oh! I just broke it.
Maybe now it will. Is it dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna use mine.
Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Why don't you have pumpkin spice lattes all year?
I don't know. Seasonal. Starbucks probably makes more money that it's seasonal.
Mm-hmm.
Because like the demand gets higher. anticipation.
Do you like them?
I don't.
No, me either.
Yeah. And we're filming this video right now in October, and pumpkin spices are out right now. Fun fact, we ran out of pumpkin spice this morning, and I had to go pick it up at another store.
Oh my god, I do not miss picking up product all the time.
Right? Our store, like, always is out of everything.
Is there still a problem?
Oh yeah, we never have anything ever. We ran out of chai today, like, what?
Can you make a venti latte with half skim milk, half oat milk, 2 mugs of mocha?
Are you kidding me?
1.5 pumps of peppermint, 1 pump of toffee, whipped cream, extra foam, and caramel drizzle.
I mean, yeah, but...
Like, some of the orders are insane, and you just have to, like,
yeah,
really pay attention to what you're doing.
What do you think is the best drink at Starbucks and the worst?
I think the best... I like the chai.
Yeah, I had a chai today.
Chai is pretty good.
Chai is really good.
The worst...
Oh, I have an answer. You remember the cacao?
Oh, yeah, that was...
It was nasty. It was like, Starbucks was trying to be healthy. They had like, what was it, cold brew? And like some protein powder. It was disgusting.
Oh, it was lemon,
like,
wasn't it like lemon
milk?
meringue foam?
I don't
Like
remember.
you would make, I don't know, it was really weird.
It was disgusting, and it was like $8.
Yeah.
Nasty.
The brows are done.
Took an hour, but
I know, right?
Finally got them right, jeez. Next, we're gonna be going in with Hula Benefit. You think I would know these things? It's a bronzer. I'm gonna bronzy up. Boop, 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 boop. I'm sorry. Boop, boop.
They appreciate your sound effects.
Thanks. Now we're gonna be highlighting with the Ofra highlighter in Star Island. No, Starbucks is really great though. You get a ton of free stuff. Like each week you get a free pound of coffee. You get like at least 3 free drinks per shift. You get a free meal, like a food item shift. You get free stock, which is awesome. I think it's like $400 a year they just give to you. Work at Starbucks, like it's so fun. Free stuff. Why not, right?
You get 30% off all merchandise.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
And then Christmas
40%
time.
off you get. Yeah, isn't it 40?
Yeah, like Christmas time it's like 40% off.
You get free tuition for ASU.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Alright, now we're gonna be doing blush, also from Ofra. And this is Sweet Stuff. Great. Blush can go anywhere. It really doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Just put it on your
Do
eyelid
whatever.
too.
Oh,
and
yeah.
your forehead.
Why not? Boop, 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 boop. On your nose, why not? What's something like before you worked there, you're like, what the heck?
Oh, so I had no idea, like, before like I started working there, I was like, oh, this is gonna be, you know, pretty easy. There's like so much more to it than you ever would think.
Oh
like,
God, yeah.
with all the different positions they have there, I mean, it's just a lot more complex than you think. Like, you think, oh, Starbucks, that's gonna be easy. It is after like 6 months, I would say, but it takes time.
Yeah. And to know like every single drink.
Yeah, like really have the recipes memorized so you can get fast.
Yeah, like how long did you work there?
2 years,
2 years?
1 month.
Wow. I was there, or I'm still there. I've been there for, I think, 1.5 years about. And I still, to this day, I hear a drink and I'm like, I've never made that in my life. Like, how do I make that drink?
Right.
Like, there's just so many and so many modifications. What do you think is the hardest part about working at Starbucks?
Just like getting someone's drink perfect, because sometimes they'll, you know, be like, can you remake this? Like, and it's like, okay, I'll remake this for the 3rd time. Like, seriously, sometimes that'll happen. It's like, you just have to roll with it. But, because some people are super particular, which is fine because it's your money, but crafting a perfect drink, I would say.
Yeah, it's hard to do that.
Or should we put primer on? Eyeshadow primer?
I never do.
Oh, you don't?
I don't think it, I mean, unless you're doing like a lot of shimmer colors, I don't think it.
Okay, I was just worrying about that.
I don't know. I think it's a placebo effect, but who knows? Yeah, I think my least favorite thing is when people are like, no foam. And I'm like, okay.
Oh, it's impossible to do no foam on non-dairy.
5 minutes getting the foam out of the drink, pouring more milk, taking the foam off, over and over and over. I give it to them. They're like, there's foam on this.
It's impossible to do no foam on non-dairy milk.
Especially non-fat.
Or like soy milk, coconut, almond, like it's just, there's going to be a little bit of foam. But yeah, as I was talking about earlier, like one customer I remember this guy, he came in and he was like, I remade his drink 3 different times and got approval by the manager that it was okay to send out, and he still came back and complained. So then I just was like, had someone else do it because he wanted no foam on a soy drink.
They literally teach us to steam the milk so there is foam in it. It's supposed to have a bit of foam at the top. Like,
yeah.
I think people have a misunderstanding what foam is. They think it's the bubbles.
They think they're just not getting their money's worth. Like,
yeah, it's like
all the... Like, it's part of the milk, though.
Exactly.
I don't know.
I understand if it's, like, straight up bubbles, but if it's, like, the microfoam...
Yeah, which is really smooth.
Which is good. I think it's great. I make it extra foamy, usually. And lipstick! We're gonna go in with this color. So this is called Chai. How fitting.
How fitting for the video.
It's called Chai by Bite Beauty.
Bite?
Isn't it cute? It's like all bite size.
Oh.
What if I just eat it? It's just bite size. So little trick.
Poop it out.
Little trick I like is, you know how they make like that shape, like the bullet shape? You use the little pointy part. You outline your lip with that first, and then fill it.
Instead of using a lip liner?
Because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna go find the matching lip liner. Are you kidding me?
I know, right? No.
Yeah, no. Is that gonna be fine? Okay.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Stop. Sorry. Ooh, yeah, I like this color on you. I remember that trick I taught you? We're not gonna do it today. You just have 4 lips than me. Okay, maybe you should.
What?
Look at it. Alright, well, I think we're done here. Do you like your look?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Thanks.
We almost match.
Twinsies. So my hair is like a mile long. Well, guys, that's it.
Thanks for watching.
The end of this video. If you have any other questions regarding Starbucks or about us, maybe leave it down in the comments section.
DM, we'll put our Instagrams. Just kidding.
Yeah. Do you want your Instagram in there? I can put it.
Yeah, you can. Maybe look at like a new follower.
Yeah, maybe it's like 1.
That's cool.
Well, if you guys want to follow Olivia, I'll leave her Instagram down below. Also, I think mine is down there. Other social media things.
You're not really into social media, no.
No, but
I am.
Yeah, Olivia is on there. I'm on her Instagram sometimes.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
You're gonna press the off button?